Hey, so I'm going to talk to you guys about a new project that we're going to be doing here this winter, so stick around. Alright, so anybody that knows me or personally probably knows my cousin Eric. He's had this car for... When did you buy this car, Eric?
May of 07.
Since 2007. It was a mostly done project car that it kind of just snowballed and we had problems. So let me just show you the car first. It's a 1997 Nissan 240SX with the RB25, the 60-1 turbo. So he got the car. It was just a swap car, twin turbos, front mount. He did a head gasket on it and some head studs, and found out the turbos, these were single turbo. The turbo was cracked, so we decided to go to a 60-1. And it just kind of was always a problem. It never quite ran right. It was always having a problem. So finally what eventually happened is we got an the AEM Series 2 ECU. Got it in, got the car kind of running, but we kept having the ECU losing power. Well, the harness was like put together with speaker wire and all sorts of stuff, and that's when the car just stopped. It hasn't touched it. I think the plates were last registered in 2012. So in between that time, he started doing a fuse box tuck, and that kind of got away from him too. And then years later, doesn't really remember where everything went. So we decided we're just gonna wipe the slate. We're putting a rye wire kit, Black Box I think is the brand, PDM, power distribution module. It's a solid state fuse and relay box. So that's just where we're going to start. We're going to get the whole chassis harness rewired. Once that's done, we're going to get a Wiring Specialties engine harness and AM Infinity, and then hopefully get it running. Mind you, this project, I don't know exactly what our timeline is, but if we can get the chassis done in the next month, I'll be pretty happy. Jason and I are going to come and work on it weekly, probably a couple hours. But yeah, so we'll give it a walk around the car. Yeah, so what we did tonight is we got the rest of the dash harness and everything all pulled out of it. Eric had already started working on it. He got the his speakers and everything out of it, but yeah, so we got all the wiring all done. Yeah, so we're just gonna mount the PDM and start running the wires and just kind of go through it all and test it all. Yeah, got the PDM all mounted up. It's right where the factory ECU went. The bracket we got and everything lined right up. Just had to oval the holes out a little bit, but that's a lucky coincidence. So yeah, we're gonna start running the wires and testing which wires do what, and yeah, I think we're gonna start in the back, get all the rear lighting done, get all that done. That way it's buttoned up, good to go, and then kind of just work our way forward. Alright, so we're back. We're going to be working on actually wiring up the PDM today. I want to get the program off of it so I can start messing with the settings. And I think we're going to start doing the brake lights and the tail lights tonight. So we'll go from there. All right, so we got pretty much everything wired back here except for the reverse lights because we don't have that harness in, but let's check it out here. So this is the running lights.
Yep.
All right.
Yep, there's brakes.
Brakes. All right. This should be the left turn signal.
Yep. Yep.
You want to do me a favor here real quick, Eric? Look at that. We got your trunk all wired up. Well, the trunk wiring is all done. We still have to, get zip ties to hold everything in place, like clip ties, P-clamps, stuff like that. But overall, got it running up there, going to that tail light. Comes across here, that tail light. Got a little loop-de-loop to go over to the fuel pump. But yeah, making good progress. What do you think, Eric?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna drive it next year?
Hopefully.
Hell yeah.
It's the plan.
Yeah, so I think, next what we're probably gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna edit this into a video, I'll see. But next what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna finish doing the switches and the windows and everything like that, get the dash stuff all done. And then we'll work our way forward to the headlight stuff. And then the chassis harness is done. So, all right.